Good morning, everybody, and welcome to week 2 of Principles of Management. This is Dr. Neil Armstrong, your professor for the class. In Module 2, we're going to be looking at environment, culture, ethics, and corporate responsibility, strategic planning, and decision making. It's a lot of things. So let's look at our goals for the week. We're going to look at the 5 elements of the organizational micro environments. We're going to look at the components of competitive environments. And it looks like we got a lot of different goals to have in this week, so it's great to have this. We're definitely looking at chapters 3 through 5 of the textbook, and we got additional resources as well. So let's go ahead and look at the discussion board, because we have a discussion board post this week, and we have an assignments due as well, as I'll leave on the announcement as well. So there's a quote from Dwight D. Eisenhower that says, "Plans are worthless, but planning is everything." If a produced plan is actually worthless, what part of the planning process is so valuable that it would cost him to assert planning is everything? So I want you guys to look at that discussion board prompt, and we'll definitely discuss it together. Let me go back to week 2 to see what else we got going on. So we have the assignment as well. So those are kind of the things we have to do this week. If you guys have any questions or need anything from me, feel free to reach out. Thanks, and have a great day.